Hey everybody, Jacob with ATV Wholesale Outlet here, Northern California's #1 spot for power sports and electric bikes. Today I want to briefly discuss a new brand that we've onboarded, Denago Powersports. And I want to briefly discuss some of the highlights and distinctives that really helps this brand stand out in an otherwise competitive niche in the industry. For close to 20 years, we have specialized in affordable power sports, and I can confidently say Denago is the best in the business. Couple of things that really help this lineup stick out is that every one of their products are green sticker, California carb compliant. They're not red sticker like most of the other brands. These are green sticker. Denago also offers a 6-month parts and labor warranty on everything defective. That is really an astonishing warranty, especially compared to the industry standard of 30 days. Really, Denago's vision is to get more people riding on power sports, but at an affordable price. So their emphasis is both affordability and quality. They have a very comprehensive lineup of kids and adult dirt bikes and ATVs. This is an American-run business with American support. Denago only works through a key set of network dealers in America. And so they've carefully vetted each of their dealers to entrust and ensure that each of their vehicles are professionally assembled and a robust warranty is being offered. If you guys are in the market for a dirt bike or an ATV, come and check them out here at ATV Wholesale Outlet in Sacramento, California. We've got a great lineup. The brand is continually expanding, and we really do stand behind the Denago Powersports company. So if you're interested, come and visit us. We are here for you. If you got any questions, post them down below. We hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.